Nikhilam avataha chalamam dashataha, all from 9 and the last from 10. Present method. Suppose you want to deduct 276 from 1000. You borrow 1 from left, deduct 6 from 10, 4 is written down and 1 borrowed previously is added to 7 and so on. So 1000 minus 276, 10 minus 6 is 4, 1 is taken on the left side, 1 plus 7 is 8, 10 minus 8 is 2, again 1 taken on left side borrowed previously, 2 plus 1 is 3, so 10 minus 3 is 7. The answer is 724. Second example is 10,000 minus 4250. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus pi is pi. 1 borrowed was taken on the left side. 2 plus 1 is 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. Again 1 taken to the left. 4 plus 1 is 5. 10 minus pi is 5. So answer is 5750. This is present method. Now Vedic method. When subtracting number from power of 10, subtract all digits from 9 and last from 10. So 1000 minus 276, it is done like this. 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 10 minus 6 is 4. So answer is 724. If the number ends in 0, use the last non-zero number as the last number. So 10,000 minus 4250 is done like calculated like this. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 0 minus 0 is 0. If the number is less digits, then append zeros to the start. So 10,000 minus 425, 0 is added to the left. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 5 is 5. 10,000 minus 76, two zeros are added on the left side. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2, 10 minus 6 is 4. So answer is 9924. 100 minus 54.36. So it is done like this. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. So answer is 45.64. 10,000 minus 3478.2281 is calculated like this. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7 again, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 1 is 9. So answer is 6521.7719. When subtracting from multiple of power of 10, just decrement the first digit by then 1, then subtract remaining digits. So 4000 minus 257, 4 initial first digit is 1 is subtracted from 4, that is 3. So afterwards 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 5 is 4 and 10 minus 7 is 3. So the answer is 3743. Calculating from left to right on the flag, our mind has capability to mark a figure, number, all thoughts so that it stands out. We use this facility very frequently. In mental calculation, we would like to hold the first part of the answer in mind and build it up step by step from left to right until it is complete. Since the figures in a number are normally spoken, written and read from left to right, it is also easier to calculate from left to right. And since the usual methods of multiplication, addition and subtraction work from right to left, it will be necessary for us to learn the alternative strategy of calculating from left to right. Once this is mastered, however, we'll find that calculating from the left is easier and more natural. In the Vedic system, all arithmetic operations can be carried out from left to right, and this has important consequences. Exercise 1 is 1000 minus 367, second is 1000 minus 458, third is 10,000 minus 7459, fourth is 10,000 minus 9989, fifth is 100 minus 23, sixth is 1000 minus 258, seventh is 1 lakh minus 625, eighth is 100 minus 69, ninth is 1000 minus 37, tenth is 10,000 minus 1456, 11th is 1000 minus 675.43, 12th is 10,000 minus 666, 13th is 10,000 minus 7609.98, 14th 1000 minus 2.653. Multiplication. The formula can be very effectively applied in multiplication of numbers which are near to bases like 10, 100, 1000, that is to the powers of 10. The difference between the number and the base is termed as deviation. So number minus base or base minus number is deviation. If base is 10, numbers 7 or 12, 10 minus 7 equal to 3, or 12 minus 10 is equal to 2, and 3 or 2 is deviation. Since deviation is obtained by Nikhilam Sutra, we call the method as Nikhilam multiplication. The two numbers under consideration are written one below the other. Deviations are written on the right hand side. Example 7 multiplied by 8. So 7 stroke minus 3 or 8 stroke minus 2. Negative numbers are also called as bar numbers or rekank, having bar over them. The product or answer will have two parts, one on the left side and the other on the right. A vertical or a slant line, that is a slash, may be drawn for the demarcation of the two parts. So 7 stroke minus 3, 8 stroke minus 2, on right hand side answer 3 minus 2 3 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 equal to 6 plus 6. 7. The RHS of the answer is the product of the deviations of the numbers. It shall contain the number of digits equal to number of zeros in the base. Since base is 10, 6 can be taken as it is. So minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 equal to 6 plus 6. LHS of the answer is the sum of one number with the deviation of the other. It can be arrived at in any one of the four ways. Cross subtract deviation 2 on the second row from the original number 7 in the first row, that is 7 minus 2 is 5, or cross subtract deviation 3 on the first row from the original number 8 in the second row, converse way of first, that is 8 minus 3 equal to 5, or subtract the base 10 from the sum of the given numbers. So numbers are 7 plus 8, 15 minus 10 equal to 5, or subtract the number of two deviations from the base. So 10 is the base, 10 minus 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Hence 5 is the left hand side of the answer. Mentally it can be done in the following manner. LHS 7 minus 2 equal to 5. RHS is minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 equal to 6, that is 56, or 8 minus 3 equal to 5, minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is 6, so answer is 56. If RHS contains less number of digits than the number of zeros in the base, the remaining digits are filled up by giving 0 or zeros on the left side of the RHS. If the number of digits are more than the number of zeros in the base, the excess digit or digits are to be added to LHS of the answer. The general form of the multiplication under Nikhilam can be shown as follows. Let n1 and n2 be two numbers near to a given base in powers of 10, and d1 and d2 are their respective deviations from the base. Then n1 multiplied by n2 can be represented as n1 stroke d1 multiplied by n2 stroke d2. That gives n1 plus d2 on left and d1 multiplied by d2 on right hand side, or n2 plus d1 on left and same way d1 and d2 is on right hand side. In the present method, one has to multiply number of times equal to digits in the multiplier. If that is, if multiplier is two figures, one has to multiply with two digits, and if multiplier is three figures, one has to multiply with three digits. Case 1. Both the numbers are lower than the base. Present method is 97 multiplied by 94. So 97 multiplied by 94, 4 multiplied by 7 is 28, 8 is taken down and 2 is below first figure. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36 plus 2, that gives 388. Then multiplication by 9, 9 into 7 is 63, 3 on is taken down and 6 taken below the first tens figure, and 9 into 9 is 81. So total is 9118. If it is second example is 98 into 97, 97 multiplied by 8 is 56, 5 is taken on the left, 7 multiplied by 9 is 63 plus 5 is 68, so 686. Then multiplication by 9, 9 8 are 72, 2 written down and 7 is taken on the left, 9 9 are 81 plus 7, so the total answer is 9506. By way of Vedic method, first example we take 97 into 94, base is 100. So 97 minus stroke minus 3 multiplied by 94 stroke minus 6 equal to 97 minus 6 or 94 minus 3 stroke minus 3 into minus 6, that is 91 stroke 18 equal to 9118. Mentally it can be done. 97 equal to 100 minus 3 and or 94 equal to 100 minus 6. So 94 minus 3, which is easier, stroke minus 3 into minus 6 equal to 18, that is 91 18 stroke 18, that is 9118. Second example 98 into 97, again base is 100, 98 stroke minus 2 multiplied by 97 stroke minus 3, that gives 98 minus 3 or 97 minus 2 stroke minus 2 into minus 3, that gives us 95 stroke 06 equal to 9506. So mentally 98 is 100 minus 2, 97 is 100 minus 3. So 97 minus 2 stroke minus 2 into minus 3, that is 06. So 95 stroke 06, that is 9506. Third example 75 multiplied by 95, base is 100. 75 stroke minus 25 and 95 stroke minus 5. That gives us 75 minus 5 or 95 minus 25 stroke minus 25 multiplied by minus 5 equal to 70 stroke 125. Base being 100, two digits are to be taken on the right side. So 1 is taken to the left. That gives 71 stroke 25. 7125 is the answer. Mentally it can be done. 75 is 100 minus 25 and 95 is 100 minus 5. So 75 minus 5 is easier. Stroke 20, minus 25 into minus 5, that is 70 stroke 125. Base is 100, so two digits are to be taken on right and one is to be taken to the left. So the answer is 7125. Example 4, 986 multiplied by 989, base is 1000. So 986 stroke minus 14 multiplied by 989 stroke minus 11. So 90 answer is 986 minus 11 or 989 minus 14 stroke minus 14 into minus 11 equal to 975 stroke 154, that is 975154. Mentally it can be done. 986 is equal to 1000 minus 14 and 989 equal to 1000 minus 11. So easier is 986 minus 11 stroke minus 14 into minus 11. The answer is 975 stroke 154, that is 975154. Fifth example, 994 into 988, base is 1000. So 994 stroke minus 6 multiplied by 988 stroke minus 12. The answer would be 994 minus 12 or 988 stroke minus 6 stroke minus 6 into minus 12, that is 982 stroke 072 or 982072. Mentally it can be done. 994 equal to 1000 minus 6, 988 is 1000 minus 12. So easier is 988 minus 6 stroke minus 6 into minus 12. The answer would be 982 stroke 072. 0 is to be taken because the base has 3 zeros. So the answer would be 982072. Sixth example, 750 multiplied by 995, base is 1000. So 750 multiplied stroke minus 250 multiplied by 995 stroke minus 5. So 750 minus 5 or 995 minus 250 stroke minus 250 multiplied by minus 5, that is 744 1250. Base has 3 zeros, so 1 is to be taken on the left and 250 is on right hand side. The answer would be 746250. So mentally 750 equal to 1000 minus 250, 995 is 1000 minus 5. So 750 minus 5 stroke minus 250 into minus 5, that is the answer would be 745 stroke 1250. 1 is to be taken to the left. So the final answer is 746250. Here the formula used is x minus a multiplied by x minus b equal to x multiplied by x minus b a minus b or plus ab, or x multiplied by x minus b minus a plus AB. The exercise is, first example, 9 multiplied by 5, second is 8 multiplied by 6, third is 7 multiplied by 7, fourth is 6 multiplied by 6, fifth is 7 multiplied by 5, 6 93 into 96, 7th 89 into 98, 8 92 into 98, 9th 56 into 88, 10 67 into 97, 11th 88 into 91, 12th 888 multiplied by 998, 13th 697 multiplied by 997, 14th 988 multiplied by 988, 15th 112 multiplied by 998. Case 2. Both the numbers are higher than the base. The method and rules follow as they are. The only difference is the positive deviation. Instead of cross subtract, we follow cross add. So, example 1 is 13 multiplied by 12, base is 10. 13 stroke 3 plus 3 multiplied by 12 stroke 2. So, the answer would be 13 plus 2 or 12 plus 3 stroke 3 multiplied by 2, that is 15 stroke 6, that is 156. Mentally, 13 equal to 10 plus 3, 12 is 10 plus 2. So 13 plus 2 stroke 3 into 2 equal to 15 stroke 6, that is 156. Second example, 18 into 14, again base is 10, 18 stroke 8 multiplied by 14 stroke 4, that is 18 plus 4 or 14 plus 8 stroke 8 into 4, that is 22 stroke 32. Now base is 10, so only one zero, one figure on the right side and 3 is to be taken to the left. So the answer would be 252. So 18 equal to, mentally it can be done, 18 equal to 10 plus 8, 14 is 10 plus 4. So 18 plus 4 is 22 stroke 8 into 4, that is 22 stroke 32. Again 3 is to be taken to the left. The answer would be 252. Third example, 104 multiplied by 102, base is 100. So 104 stroke 04 multiplied by 102 stroke 02 equal to 106 stroke 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 10608. Mentally, 104 equal to 100 plus 4. 102 is 100 plus 2. So 104 plus 2 stroke 4 into 2 equal to 106 stroke 08, that is 10608. Fourth example, 1275 into 1004. Base is 1000. So 1275 is 1275 stroke 275 multiplied by 1004 stroke 004, that is 1279 stroke 275 into 4 equal to 1279 stroke 1100. Again 3 zeros in the base, so 3 figures on the right hand side, that is 100, and 1 is to be taken to the left. So the answer would be 1280,100. Mentally, 1275 is 1000 plus 275 and 1000 and 1004 equal to 1000 plus 4. So the answer multiplication would be 1275 plus 4 stroke 275 into 4, that is 1279 stroke 1100. Again 1 is to be taken to the left. So the answer would be 1280 100. Again here formula used is x plus a multiplied by x plus b equal to x into x plus a plus b plus ab, or x multiplied by x plus b plus a plus ab. Exercise first is 12 into 11, second 16 into 12, third 18 into 13, fourth 19 into 19, fifth 111 into 109, sixth is 125 into 117, seventh is 1005 multiplied by 1009, eighth is 1016 stroke 1006. Third case, one number is more and the other is less than the base. In this situation, one deviation is positive and the other is negative. So the product of deviations becomes negative. So the right hand side of the answer obtained will therefore have to be subtracted. To have a clear representation and understanding, a vinculum is used. It proceeds into normalization. Positive deviation is written without the positive sign, and the negative deviation is written using a rekanka, that is a bar on the number. Complements: any number when subtracted from its nearest base that is greater than it gives the complement of the number. So first example is 12 multiplied by 9, base is 10. So 12 stroke 2 multiplied by 9 stroke minus 1, 12 minus 1, or 9 plus 2 stroke 2 into minus 1, that is 11 stroke minus 2, that gives us 110 minus 2 equal to 108. Mentally it can be done easily. 12 minus 1 multiplied by 2 minus 1, 2 multiplied by minus 1 equal to 11 stroke minus 2, that is 110 minus 2 equal to 100, that is 108. Second example, 19 into 8, base is 10 again. 19 stroke 9 multiplied by 8 stroke minus 2, that is 19 minus 2, or 8 plus 9 stroke 9 into minus 2, that is 8 plus 9, 19 minus 2 is 17 stroke minus 18. So 170 minus 18 is 152. Mentally it can be done easily. 19 minus 2 multiplied by 9 into minus 2, that is 17 stroke minus 18 equal to 170 minus 18, that is 152. Third example is 21 multiplied by 5, base is 10 again. So 21 is 21 stroke 11 multiplied by 5 stroke minus 5 gives us 16 stroke 11 into minus 5 equal to 16 stroke minus 55, that is 160 minus 55 equal to 105. Mentally it can be done easily. 21 minus 5 multiplied by 11 multiplied by minus 5, that is 16 stroke minus 55 equal to 160 minus 55, that is 105. Fourth example is 115 multiplied by 92, again base is 100, 115 stroke 15 multiplied by 92 stroke minus 8, that is 107 minus 120 equal to 10,700 minus 120, that is 10,580. Mentally 115 minus 8 stroke 15 into minus 8 equal to 107 stroke minus 120 equal to 10,700 minus 120, that is 10,580. The formula used here is x plus a into x minus b equal to x multiplied by x plus a minus b equal to minus ab, or x minus a into x plus b equal to x multiplied by x minus a plus b minus ab. The exercise is, first example, 92 multiplied by 89, second is 95 minus multiplied by 95, third 88 into 88, fourth 99 into 98, fifth is 998 into 892, sixth is 695 into 997, seventh 988 into 899, 991 into 996, ninth 99992 multiplied by 99984, 10th is 999 into 235, 11th is 9995 multiplied by 9898, 12th is 109 multiplied by 98, 13th is 103 multiplied by 99, 14th is 1081 into 995, 15th 10073 multiplied by 9999, 16th is 9975 multiplied by 12,500.